In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create a private server on Roblox using your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more Roblox tips. A private server pretty much gives you control over who can join your game, whether it's just your friends or even specific people that you know. First, open up Roblox and find the game that you want to create a private server for. Keep in mind, some games this might be free, some games this might not be available, and some games you might have to pay Robux for this. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the game Catalog Avatar Creator. So pretty much search up that game, click on it real quick, and then scroll up to open up the full view of this page. Then scroll all the way down, and as you can see to the right of this little play button, there's this like weird little icon with two people. Click on this icon and then go ahead and hit create private server. And then as you can see, this is free, so I'm going to type in the name, private server mobile. Go ahead and hit done and then hit buy now. And as you can see, it just created that server for me right here. Now from here, you can customize that server. To do this, go ahead and hit these three dots right here and then hit configure. And it's going to let you customize pretty much every setting for this specific server. You can add specific users by hitting this add people section. You can turn off allow joining so it's just you in here. And then you could also generate a link for people to join this as well. It's as simple as that though, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know down in the comment section below. And make sure you guys are leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel before you leave. Have a good one.